What do you want?
I want to drink a water.
Have you been waiting for a while?
Yeah, I've been here for about 10 minutes.
What sport can you play?
I can play the basketball.
Where is your mom?
She is in her room.
May I ask how old you are?
I am 16 years old.
Why did you do all this?
Because he is my enemy.
Why does he want to cover himself so much?
I think he is a criminal.
It's too expensive?
I can give you a 10% discount.
I fail out again?
Don't give up.
It's your turn?
I'm not ready yet.
Do you want to see it again?
No, because it's ugly.
Why don't you take her to the doctor?
Because she isn't sick.
What do you think of it?
It's totally wrong.
Do I look that bad?
No, you are so handsome.
Do you want me to get her?
No, because I love you.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How is she?
She's pretty.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy.
Would you like chicken or pig?
I would like pig.
Why did you buy a flower?
This flower is for my mother.
Is there any discount for me?
I'm sorry, but the price are fixed.
How is your friend?
My friend is doing well, thanks.
When does it begin?
It begins at 7:20 a.m.
Is this your first time here?
It's my first visit.
Will you go by train?
Yes, I will go by train.
Where did you go?
I went to the store.
Have you eaten yet?
Yes, I had a small dinner.
Can I eat this?
Yes, go ahead. It's safe to eat.
What do you need?
I need a pen and a ruler.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in a small town.
Do you trust the safety of cars?
Yes, for the most part.
Who broke the vase?
It might have been Cat.
Can we have a menu, please?
Certainly. Here you go.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am. It's been a good day so fast.